YouTube. We outside. Well, we have this ganja dispensary. Whoa. Running low down. Yeah, this is them take a picture. That is it. Them a braff outside, eh? Yeah. And that I go on around here. One whole heap of braff in the star. Yeah, my bro. Watch this. One ton of them bag there now. Guess what happened? I have a pet star. I need to bring him out the door, so to get one of them bag there. I'm a little dope scan left him in the house like that. You see it? Bring him outside, man. Yeah, I tell you. Everybody out the door today out there active. I say, oh, what go on? How everybody just active up so today? The weather? What happened? Everybody just active so. What happened? YouTube, you guys enjoying the weather or something? See how the delivery man over there so turn up. Everybody turn up. Everybody turn up. YouTube. One thing me I tell them, so I want to get my channel to 1,000 subscribers. Right? So we have some channel out there brag for my channel and I say, yo, my channel have not even 500 subscribers. You don't have to do better than that. You don't have to do better than that, bro. Subscribing free, bro. It's free for subscribe. Look. You see it? I'm going to MVision and I can't see them things. You see me, I want to see some girl on the road in America. You don't have to subscribe, bad man. The subscribe button free, use it. Look on them traffic here, bad people. Ugh. No, my drive is smallest car on the road and I make it most nice. Why am I doing that so? Yeah, and the uncle on the dog. Him can't drive in a certain section in the car, you don't know what's going on now. You don't know what's going on now. Them have some penalty thing in there, 350 and them way there, them slap on you some ticket here if you go uncle on certain place. You better know that dog. See it there? Being double park, fine. You see it? Be sitting them on the dash up around here. Franklin and President. I know it's a stop sign, right? I say wait. Them man in a stop sign, bro. Me just have to stop to prove to myself that my member says a stop sign people them they put there. It been there. Just like that. You see it says stop all the way, bro. Watch he car stop all the way, bro. Yeah! Oh Lord. Yeah, my yo. Ready so for yes, sir. Stop all the way again. I would do fire go on this apartment. Some dog. Bad projects, hemisphere. Yeah, man, big up the charge them over there. You see it? That is it, my friend. You know some driver will pull over but them still a roll. Lucky you know driving in south, you know, because you have some sheriff will pull you over and tell you say you just do a roll and stop in a partner. What we got here, that's called a roll and stop. We're gonna have to write you up. What? You mean to tell me you ain't stop at the stop? You gotta roll and stop. Which mean he ain't really yell, he thought he stopped but he was rolling. Nigga hit the gas. Yeah, bitch. Da. TD Bank, put back KFC over there. Miss KFC. Hey, call the TD people them and tell them, say, yo, we miss KFC over there, we like it better. Famous ball. Yo, KFC, what the issue with the famous ball them? Yo, hear me now, man. Yo, people. Talk it out if you don't know about famous ball. What Burger King over here, sir? Ah, God, talk franchise. New building, people who can stay right on the balcony and order. Oh, Brooklyn turn up. Brooklyn turn up, G. Oh, what the hell you talk about? Brooklyn turn up, brother, like ton Carmel in our place. Yeah, man, go through me, G. I just when I try to reach him, I come in and try to get in an accident. You understand me? I deal. Yeah. So, to me, it don't really matter who drive off first. As long as we both get where we go. Me know me want to reach him, I go. You understand? Yeah, that is it. YouTube, it get dark and now star, you know, so I not a light for my camera. Oh God, I left my light now. Curb by you, walk on and now, man. God bless you, son. We shine bright now when time and night, but I make it look dark. That's your brother Junior, bro. Come there, slide on him skate, right side of the car. Jog, mama, jog. She said she don't want to call up at the arm. She had jogging her, so she reached the stoplight, so she said she can't make she look bad in the car. People are looking at her and I say, wow, mama come out like that, you better jog. You're tired like a puppy when you're reaching. You think she got jog at every stoplight? MVision television should have followed her if you find out. Say. Ask her if you can follow her and find out if she got really jog. Every stop sign when she reach, you gotta jog, bro. Cause that's not easy. You jog, you tell me say you gotta jog every block, right? And nobody tell me say you gotta go the park after you jog out all of them blocks. You have some people do too. Yeah, you'd be surprised. You see some of them girls that got them health bar and come out with them with them mug full of them blend up and go and jog. You fuck. Turn up. Yeah, man. See them a jog, but I don't know if them are going to do the couple blocks like this and then go jog around the park. We're about 5 miles. You see it? You see all of them around there do it. So. The woman them will do it, bro. The woman them around there just see them about to be a front and sit. Yeah, run one block up there. Right, the last John Avenue again, my friend. Man, see that man. The camera drop you. And we're not edit out nothing in the umbrella. I'm telling you this, bro.